Do you know how can we check our pulse rate? Touch your wrist along the line of the thumb. You will feel pulsating movement. This is a blood vessel called artery. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hadia Siddiq. I read in class 7th A. My school name is Government Iqbal Girls High School, Husaina Gahi, Multan. Today we will make a pulse counter. We need thumb pin, matchstick, cutter or knife, scissor and scotch tape. Take a matchstick and wrap sticking tape around the base of the matchstick. Insert the pointed end of the thumb pin into the base of the matchstick. Sharpen the head of the matchstick and put a ball of packing material on it. Put the finished product on the artery of the wrist. It will become a small pulse counter. We came in pairs to perform this activity by feeling the pulse rate of our friends. We did walk for 3 to 4 minutes. Then again we counted the pulse rate and you know what? It was faster than before. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera for your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.